Hey guys, this is the best way to find good royalty-free music that is free, that I like. There's a bunch of different versions. There's a bunch of different paid places. Like Instagram Edits has its own royalty-free, but some of it's really bad. This is the best free place I found to find good royalty-free music. So what I found is basically this place called Pixabay, which it has great stunning images and everything like that, but this is the place that has a lot of great content that you guys can utilize for free. Sometimes you don't even need an account to sign up a lot of the time. So here you've got music, and you can see there's heaps of different songs. Like, let's just try this one. It's nice and smooth. Let's try no copyright. Here we go. So it's a little bit louder. More of a pumped up song. So if we go. So if you're looking for something that's really cool, but there is so much in here. But again, this is on my desktop, so I'm gonna actually show you how it's gonna work on your mobile phones, because again, we're trying to do everything on our phones here. So let's go to the split screen, and you can see that I'm just in literally the pixabay.com website. You can see explore, you can explore all these other things, but we're going to go straight across to music. Right, come on, there we are. And you can see that the same song that was just there, no copyright. Now you even have like options to kind of go to the no copyright sections. You can search for different songs. There's songs there, there's some cinematic ones, horror, motivation. Let's try even motivation level. Might be a little too inspiring. A little bit tackier, so you might still need to find that there's some songs in here that might not be amazing for you, like might not be the ones that you actually really want. You just pause that and you see it's got a little play down the bottom, which is great, some little play section. But let's go back to that other song. I really did like that fun song, and it even says no copyright music, so it's free for you guys to use. So you literally just press the download button here, and it comes up like this. It says, nice one, say thanks. Now it does sometimes I donate when I really love the song or really use it. You don't have to. And sometimes it's just telling you who the artist is and everything like that. And you can copy and use that and put it in the video if you really want, in the captions. Sometimes it doesn't really ask you to, but it's just literally, they're trying to get some creatives going on some royalty-free music for you guys to add. Now it comes down here on the iPhone, it's different on Android, but it comes down here and save. And now I'm gonna show you how to actually put it from this website and how you put it into the actual Edits app. So I just go save here, and let's just go save to files. I like to use files because it's on my phone, but you can use Google Drive if you want. And then I go open, download completed, open in, I just go open in my downloads. Now, one of my favorite things, you can see I actually have a folder here called Pixabay Music. So I actually try to drag and drop that. Now you could rename them, whatever you want to do in different things, but renaming really helps sometimes, cataloging. So if you want to go select at the top, and you can go up down here and you go rename. And let's just go, that was the Techno Fun. Let's just call it Techno Fun. You just call whatever you want. You could probably even call it the video that you want to use it and go tick. That's great. That's all I want. It's really just so I understand and remember what it was. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into edits and it's same in almost every other place as well. But when you go, let's go to this Maze House one that we were just doing. I'm going to delete this audio that we have on there. But you can see I got add audio, and basically from here, you'll have, all the trending, and you see there's royalty free over here, but the one that I like to use, you guys don't even really see this little folder right up the top there. So that little folder, you can see extract from video or import from files. That's what we want to do. And you can see Techno Fun's there. So I literally just click that and I'll add it. And then we add, now you can trim it the way you want it, but we're just gonna add it like that. And we're gonna go boom. And there you are. You have some royalty-free music ready to go. So my recommendation to you is to go through this whole platform and find heaps of songs that suit your business. So just go through, in an afternoon, go through Pixabay and go through all the songs. You can even type in, I think like if we typed in cafe up here, let's go search for cafe, see if there's some probably cafe music. It's cafe jazz, here we go. Not bad. this is really like decent quality royalty-free music for you guys to use. So I definitely think this is probably a great option instead of being worried too much about all the rights and royalties for anything else. Avoiding trying to figure out how to get access as a business to a huge library plethora and all this other stuff. So I think this is great, but you could download heaps of this, have it, and you can see it as soon as it's in edits or in any of the other platforms. Once you've got the add audio, they're already added in, so you could just add in one afternoon, just add heaps of songs in here and do that once every couple of months, once every 6 months even. And then you've just got all your songs that you like and you want to use, and you can go through however you want from there. Hopefully that makes sense. Same place in like Premiere Pro if you ever wanted to add music. It's really easy in the same level. You just go here, and when you're adding songs, adding audio, you can see soundtracks or library, but all the way down here in files. So you usually see some files or some sort of what's on your phone thing. And if I go to files here, you'll see that I can type in, even if I want to, Pixabay, there it is, Pixabay music, and there's our techno fun. So it doesn't add it into the library. It needs to add it every time, but there you go. It's added everything, like it's added the same way. So they've got all different ways in different apps, but this is the easiest way to find royalty-free music and add it into your reels and your videos on your phone. Hopefully this has been helpful, guys. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, suggestions, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.